Lesson 2. Descriptive and Narrative Writing. In the written exam, you may need to produce descriptive or narrative pieces. Let us start with descriptive writing. Its primary purpose is to help the reader form a clear mental picture of a person, place, object, or event. The key advice is to show rather than tell. You achieve this by layering precise sensory details, like touch, sound, and sight, instead of relying on vague words. Avoid overusing weak adjectives, as they clutter your prose and reduce precision. You can also use similes and metaphors, as long as the language remains precise. When organizing descriptive paragraphs, use a logical, spatial, or chronological order with clear transitions. Narrative writing, on the other hand, follows traditional story conventions. A narrative must have an introduction, plot, characters, setting, a climax, and a conclusion. Your goal is to orient the reader, introduce a complication or conflict, and move toward a resolution. Narrative paragraphs should often open with clear topic sentences, especially to orient the reader when introducing a new character, setting, or time shift. The biggest pitfall in narrative writing is letting your paragraphs drift with chronological or causal links between events. To engage your audience, maintain a clear, organized structure. Ensure your ideas are closely related to the narrative focus, and use descriptive language that gives enough concrete information for readers to infer meaning without irrelevant padding.